China is all upset about the setback it faced in Ladakh and India's surge in manufacturing vaccine against coronavirus. China is now attempting to defeat India through shadow wars. Chinese hackers are now trying to infiltrate India's power supply network and darken the country. Recently, power supply was disrupted in Mumbai for many hours. Following that, an American company reported Chinese hackers were behind this. Although India has denied this claim, the central government has advised companies and government agencies operating in the country's power sector to be vigilant. Now, the recent reports of National Daily state that a massive Mumbai-type power outage was averted in Telangana after the Central Electricity Authority alerted the Telangana government that the Computer Emergency Response Team of India has suspected that Chinese hackers may target TS Transco and TS Genco. According to the reports, Chinese hackers groups allegedly targeted Telangana State Law Dispatch Center. However, the cyber attack was successfully thwarted by the state government agencies. On receiving information from a trusted source about a China-based group's command and control servers trying to communicate with the systems belonging to the TS LDC, TS Transco and TS Genco were alerted and asked to take adequate measures. Speaking exclusively to the newspaper, Telangana Transco and Genco chairman and managing director D. Prabhakar Rao confirmed getting cyber attack alerts from central agencies. Rao said malwares were removed from 40 substations and the firewall was strengthened. The website of Telangana State Southern Power Distribution Company Limited was attacked in 2019, resulting in the services getting affected for 3 to 4 days. Meanwhile, a US company, Recorded Future, reported that a Chinese government-linked group of hackers targeted India's critical power grid system through the malware. Commenting on the power outage issue, Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh said, "Cyber attack issue is not just confined to Mumbai, but it could spread across the country. We should not politicize this issue. I have spoken to Union Power Minister R.K. Singh about this. He has sought details about it and said that we should remain alert," Deshmukh added. Mumbai was affected by a massive power outage on October 12, 2020. Reports had emerged that Chinese cyber attacks led to the power disruption in financial capital of the country. Union Power Minister R.K. Singh on Tuesday said that the Mumbai power outage was caused by human error and there was no evidence to prove that the outage was a result of hacking by the Chinese hackers. News Desk, Kaumudy English.